Welcome to Use Artificial Intelligence Technologies to Produce Engaging Content. This unit provides practical skills to leverage generative artificial intelligence for creating compelling written, visual, and video content in professional settings. This unit covers using generative AI tools to create diverse content. You'll learn to craft precise prompts and refine AI outputs for writing, video, and images. Master directing AI for varied writing styles, producing videos with avatars and music, and generating visual images while evaluating for quality and bias. Generative AI leverages machine learning to create new content like text and images, mimicking its training data. It offers speed, efficiency, personalization, and cost-effectiveness. However, it can produce biased or inaccurate content, lacks human creativity, and poses copyright concerns. Understanding these aspects is crucial for effective and responsible use. Understanding ethical AI use is crucial as AI advances. Ethical use respects laws, people, and the environment, promoting honesty and fairness. Unethical uses include deepfakes, pseudo-photographs, and automated misinformation, which can harm individuals and society. Always ensure AI use is transparent, legal, and respectful. Effective AI-assisted writing starts with understanding tone, style, structure, and voice. Plan by identifying purpose, audience, tone, and length. Use smart prompts like few shot and chain of thought. Review for accuracy and tone, edit for warmth, and share with stakeholders for approval. AI video tools like Synthesia and InVideo enable professional video creation without traditional filming. Start by defining your video's purpose and audience. Write a structured script, using AI for drafting. Customize with avatars, music, and graphics. Finally, review for quality and export in the desired format. AI image tools like Adobe Firefly enable the creation of diverse visuals through descriptive prompts. Specify subject, style, lighting, and angle for precise results. Evaluate images for creativity and bias, refining with feedback. Remember, quality inputs lead to quality outputs, and human oversight remains crucial in AI-generated content.